video, we're going to look at a trading tool which is basically you can use for swing trading or day trading. So it basically clearly gives a buy sell signal, so you can basically take the trade and also you can scan. So here we are going to look at MES/MES, okay, which is futures. So this can be mainly used for futures trading, okay. Okay, so if you look in here, it's called SwingArm, okay. It's called SwingArm. Well, also this is a free indicator, okay, which you can use. So if you see here, currently what happens is when the market turns, right, when the market turns, it becomes red, and then you can see this is called bucket. He calls it as a bucket, okay. And then basically the candles go into the bucket and it has to go reverse, but here it did not reverse, okay. So here now again it's turned green, so the candles went up. So you want to wait till it comes into the bucket. You don't want to buy when it goes straight up, okay. So here it came into the bucket, it just reversed and then it went up, okay. And then here it came into the bucket now, okay. So it came into the, so here it is, he calls it zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, okay. So look back here. So you want to buy when the bucket, okay, so here's 1 day, okay. So let me just go, we go 15 minutes, okay. So here if you see, currently it's a sell pressure, right. So it turned red, okay. It was green here a little bit. So here is a perfect situation to buy is when it goes into the bucket, and then you can start buying from here, okay. You can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, okay. So he always recommends to buy at zone 4 if possible, okay. So it went here, it came back here, it went here, came back here, okay. Now is again the sell, okay. Okay, so if it red means it's basically sell, so it's to keep selling, start selling, okay. So this is used for, this can be very nicely used for MES. So let's look at 1 day chart on JPM, any stock you want, okay, JPM. Okay, so if you see here, so it started selling here, right, it gives a sell signal here, okay. So it basically goes into the bucket and then drops back. So what you want to do is you want to wait till it goes into the bucket and then start buying within these 2 lines, okay, not before that, okay. So that way you can see that it's confirmed. So if it doesn't go here, just wait, okay. So here if you see here also it gave a buy signal, it came back here, it came back again, then you start buying it, okay. So we also have a what is called a swing arm indicator, right, watch list indicator. So it basically can give you zone 1, zone 2, whether the stock is in which zone, okay. Like for example CRM is in zone 2, okay. Okay, like that you can also see whether it's red or green, okay. So then you also have a scanner, okay. We also have a scanner which can basically give us indicators for a bullish or bearish. For example, let's look at bullish, okay. Okay, load personal bullish, okay. So I want to do 1 day, weekly, okay. The only stock I saw before was gold, okay. Let me go to gold, We'll see it now because the market is live. So just go to gold. Okay, so it's red here. So this is up, RSI is up. You can see that it's a buy zone, right? Buy support. So you can take the trade here and then expect the market to go up. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I'll post this is not my indicator, this is a free indicator. I'll post the link for the website, and also there are a lot of YouTube videos. If you search for SwingArm, you can also see. Okay, so the setup also is given. So I will send you this link of the videos and also the website, okay, where this person is teaching. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.